Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear.
Good morning, BNIers. Dustin here with your education moment. 3 minutes, one idea, better referrals. Let's go. Today, let's talk about AI. Yep, everybody's favorite topic. Some people use AI every day. Others hear AI and they imagine it's a robot attending BNI in their place. Here's the important thing. AI can help us prepare, communicate, and save time, but it cannot build trust for us. So here are 4 practical ways that you can use it in BNI. First, improve your weekly presentation. Give an AI tool information about your profession, ideal, customer, service, and referral requests. Then ask it to create a clear presentation that fits your time limit. Do not simply read the first answer. Correct it, personalize it, and make sure, above everything else, it sounds like you. Second, identify referral triggers. Ask what problems, plans, or life changes might cause someone to need my service. A roofer might listen for storm damage, an estate planning attorney might listen for a new child, marriage, divorce, or major purchase. Knowing the trigger helps your referral partners recognize the opportunity. Third, prepare for one-to-ones. Ask AI to create questions that help you understand another member's customers, their services, their common misconceptions, and their best referral sources. Then use those questions to have a real conversation. The tool prepares the questions. You build the relationship. Fourth, improve everyday business tasks. AI can help draft follow-up emails, brainstorm social posts, outline presentations, organize meeting notes, create checklists, or turn complicated information into plain language. It can also help you practice. Ask it to play the role of a potential customer and give you a common question or objection. Your answer can reveal which parts of your message are clear and which one needs to be worked on before you speak with the real prospect. But we need 3 guardrails. First, verify the answer. AI can be confidently wrong a lot. Protect private information. Do not casually enter confidential customer, employee, financial, medical, or proprietary information into an AI system. And keep the human involved. If every email and presentation sounds like a generic robot, the tool is no longer helping your relationships. So, here's this week's challenge. Ask AI for 10 phrases someone might say before needing the services of one chapter member. Share that list during your next one-to-one and improve it together. AI might help us find the words, organize the ideas, and recognize more opportunities, but people still refer those that they know, like, and trust. Use the technology to become better prepared, not less personal. This has been another education moment by Dustin. See you next time, and as always, relationships build revenue.
Meeting starts, badge goes on. Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you helping, why you're here.